Good morning, students. I am K. Sarnya, Assistant Professor Max, Joseph Arts and Science College, Tirunavallur. Now going to the online class, third year Max, and then subject is Dynamics. Next is next theorem, 2 points A and B with speeds V and dou V along two concentric circle with onto at O and radii to R, R respectively. If the angle of OAB equal to alpha, show that cot alpha equal to 2 when they are along AB. Solution: AB portion at time t OA equal to 2R, which implies OA equal to OA into R1 cap is equal to 2R into R1 cap. OB equal to R. Then OB vector equal to OB into R2 cap. R into is equal to R into R2 cap, where R1 cap, R2 cap unit vectors along OA and OB respectively. So S1 cap, S2 cap unit vectors perpendicular to R1 cap, R2 cap respectively. Therefore, R1 vector equal to R into S1 vector, R into S1 vector, R2 vector equal to 2 into R into S1 vector. AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector is equal to R into R2 cap minus 2R into R1. Given the relation motion is along AB, the relative velocity of B with respect to A along AB. V2 vector minus V1 vector perpendicular AB vector into R2 vector minus R1 vector equal to 0 vector. R into R2 cap minus 2R into R1 cap into 2R into S2 cap minus R into S1 cap equal to 0 vector. R into S2 R into R2 cap minus 2 R1 cap into R into 2 into S2 cap minus S1 cap equal to 0 vector. R into R, R2 cap minus 2 R1 cap into 2 into S2 cap minus S1 cap equal to 0 vector. R2 cap minus 2 R1 cap into 2 into S2 cap minus S1 cap equal to 0 vector. 2 into R2 cap into S2 cap minus R2 cap into S1 cap minus 4 into R1 cap into S2 cap plus 2 R1 cap into S1 cap equal to 0. 2k cap minus cos theta cap minus 4 into cos theta k plus 2k cap equal to 0 vector. 4k cap minus 5 into cos theta k cap equal to 0 vector. R1 cap into S1 cap equal to k cap. R2 cap into S2 cap equal to k cap. 4 minus 5 into cos theta equal to 0 vector. 4 is equal to 5 into cos theta. Cos theta equal to 4 by 5 given angle of OAB equal to alpha. Using sine formula, OA dividing by sine B is equal to OB dividing by sine A. Next, OA dividing by sine theta minus theta plus alpha is equal to OB dividing by sine alpha. Therefore, OA dividing by sine of theta plus alpha is equal to OB dividing by sine alpha. 2x dividing by sine of theta plus alpha equal to x by sine alpha. X cancelled. So 2 dividing by sine of theta plus alpha equal to 1 by sine alpha. 2 into sine alpha equal to sine of theta plus alpha. 2 into sine of alpha equal to sine of A plus B formula is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And then using this formula, when A is equal to theta, B equal to alpha, replace the formula. So sine of theta into cos alpha plus cos theta into sine alpha. This is the equation number A. Next, sine theta equal to 3 by 5. Next formula is sine of A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Cos theta equal to 4 by 5 and sine theta equal to 3 by 5. In equation number A, we get 2 into sine alpha equal to 3 by 5 cos alpha plus 4 by 5 sine alpha. 2 minus 4 by 5 into sine alpha equal to 3 by 5 cos alpha. So cross multiplying his values, 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 4 dividing by 5 into sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5 cos alpha. So 10 minus 4 value is 6 dividing by 5 into sine alpha equal to 3 by 5 cos alpha. Next, cancelling these values, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. So cancelling these values, and then answer is 2 into sine alpha equal to cos alpha sine left side sine alpha taking outside, so 2 is equal to cos alpha dividing by sine alpha. Already we get cos alpha dividing by sine alpha formula is cot alpha. Next, sine alpha dividing by cos alpha equal to tan alpha. Therefore 2 equal to cot alpha. Hence the proof. And then formula is sine alpha dividing by cos alpha equal to tan alpha. Cos alpha dividing by sine alpha equal to cot alpha. This is the formula. Sine alpha dividing by cos alpha equal to tan alpha. Cos alpha dividing by sine alpha equal to cot alpha. And then using the formula, hence the proof. Thank you, students.